What's up guys? So what we have here is the shirataki dried rice. And this is the finished product kapag sinaing mo na siya. So we are using the microwave method all the time. So ganyan kaganda yan. So this is cooked in temperature of medium high and then 7 to 8 minutes. And we will pair it with chicken curry. So what I love about this is pang switch natin sa white rice. So this is made from konjac and shirataki, which is kung alam niyo yung mushroom na shirataki. The ingredients from this shirataki dried rice. So tikman natin, no. So tulad ko, high blood na kasi ako. So I was diagnosed last 2 years ng hypertension. And then sabi sa akin is I need to reduce my weight and then have exercise. Tapos meron na kasi ako maintenance sa ininom. So one of which is nag-shift kami ni wife sa shirataki dried rice para kahit papano ma-reduce namin yung calories na ini-intake namin per day. Kasi sobrang sarap namin talaga kumain, as in yun yung bonding namin. So yun nga lang, medyo malayo yung price niya with white rice, pero yung benefit naman, no, sabi nga nila, health is wealth. So yung benefit naman nun is sobrang ganda naman sa body mo. So parang kalasa lang din siya ng white rice, kaya yun ang pinaka gusto ko dito. Tapos partner pa ng chicken curry, no? So halos parehas lang siya. So what are you waiting for? Click the yellow basket so you can try it now.